Hello everyone, it's me, Maarko, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we are going to IKEA because we want to eat some Swedish meatballs. And in Taiwan, there's not many places where you can eat Swedish meatballs, so IKEA is the place to go. So I'm going to get on my scooter and this bad boy, and it's going to take us to IKEA, and I'm going to show you what it is like. Me and the missus decided to go to IKEA for meatballs one day, and we decided to record it, but because she was with us, I managed to get some recording from the passenger view on the scooter. So that is what you're seeing now, the passenger view of the scooter, and it's just a little part of the journey to IKEA. It's not the full journey we recorded, but I'm going to put the full journey that we recorded in another video when I get the time to do it. So I hope you enjoy a little snippet of the scooter ride to IKEA, and let's get into the video. Just got to IKEA now, and we are heading towards the restaurant to get the meatballs. But the worst thing about IKEA everywhere you go is you have to walk around the specific route. So you have to follow their arrows on the floor. That's in every country. That my face looks wrecked with the sun. Look at it. There we go. Get to the restaurant. Look, we come around, take the little shortcut way so we don't have to walk all the way through IKEA. But you can see IKEA looks the same every single country you go to. IKEA is the same. There's nothing different about it, is it? Same layout, same colors, same products. Very typically IKEA. And there we go. Restaurant. I love meatballs. I know that could be memed up, but I do love a good meatball. In England, I like meatballs. Other countries, meatballs I do like meatballs. And the restaurant in IKEA in Taiwan is always full of people. I don't know why. You can come here any day of the week and it's always full of people. Check it out. Check out the queues. I'm sure you don't see queues like this in IKEA in England. This is Taiwan's IKEA. So like I said, you can come here every day of the week and IKEA will be like this. We are waiting in the queue now. It is absolutely packed in IKEA, man. I don't know why IKEA is always like this. Always. I don't know why it's so popular. In England, it's not like this at IKEA. In IKEA in Taiwan, it's absolutely rammed all the time. It's a mission. It's a mission to find a seat. A mission means it's hard for anyone who's not from the UK and not down with how the UK speak. A mission means it's very hard to find a seat. When we go and look for a seat, Taiwanese people, they like to put their bags down first and save a seat. So when we go look for a seat, that's gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna get a refillable drink. Look, you gotta pick up the glass first on the way around. It's all like self-service. And 2 glasses. And then the Swedish word for hello. Usually I get a cake, but today I'm gonna skip the cake. There's the salad. And then over here there's cakes and that. I usually get the dime cake, but I'm gonna skip it. Don't need a cake. So I have a sweet tooth, so I eat far too much sweet. So I'm skipping the dime cake, unfortunately. Or fortunately, trying to be better in the head. More strong-willed. That is the dime cake that I usually get. I love dime chocolate, but today I'm gonna give it a miss. Bye-bye dime cake. There's the meatballs there, look. Meatballs. There's me meatballs. Going on. So that's what I ordered. I added some chips. Here comes the chips. Here's the chips. The missus wanted a cake, so we got a cake. Getting towards the bread. There's a bread I like down here. Get some chicken wings and some bread. 2 pieces, 55. The food is for 2 people, by the way. We only had breakfast. We didn't really have any lunch. I just had breakfast. I didn't have lunch. So this is for 2 people, not just me, before you think it's just all mine. Get this bread, look. This soft bread. You don't normally find soft bread in Taiwan. So that's what we got in IKEA. That is basically me dinner and me lunch all in one go. But it is for 2 people, don't forget that. I tell you what, it is total chaos coming to the IKEA restaurant in Taiwan. It's total chaos getting your food. It's chaos trying to find a seat, just based on how many people are here, man. And also, people are often like shoving or stood in the way. It's not like England where if someone's behind you trying to get past in England, usually when I lived there, I need to caveat, when I lived there, usually people would just let you pass. But here it's like, you are not getting past me. I'm before you, regardless if I'm taking forever. So the total cost of our food was $718. That's for 2 plates of meatballs, a plate of chips, and 2 pieces of bread, 2 drinks, 1 cake, and 4 chicken wings. So that's 718 NT dollars. Taiwan should put a stop to the seat saving, man. The amount of seats that are empty, but you can't use them because someone's got their bag on it or something. But if you stop the seat saving in Taiwan, there would be absolute outrage. It's like the seat saving capital of the world. I've been told I have to stop having a rant about the seat saving. So let us know what you think. Am I right to not like it? Or should I just accept it? Let us know in the comments, what do you think about it? So this is what $700 NT dollars gets you in IKEA. This is all the food we bought. It's basically our lunch and dinner combined. So now we're gonna eat it. All right, we just finished all the food. Now I'm heading home. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and also I need to remember it myself, but I'm gonna put the affiliate links in. So if you wanna come to Taiwan, click those affiliate links, help me get some extra money to run the channel at no extra cost to yourself. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.